Hi, Julia here, and I am bringing you a Sipsby review this month of May. This is the box I received for May, and in it I have my teas. I had stocked the Sipsby box, and then I decided to go back with it because I was missing my teas. So, never fear, you can always resubscribe if you have to stop. So again, this is for May. You get this little card in your box. It tells you all about the teas that you will be experiencing for the month. And it says made for Julia here, and it has a little blur about how they've personalized this box of tea for me, and that they hope right now that these teas are comforting, and they hope that they give me a sense of stillness and peace while we all continue to sip in place. And there are 4 different teas in here, and you also get a little muslin pouch that is reusable. You pull this label off and you can use this as a tea bag. And inside here you have about, I don't know, 7 to 10 disposable tea bags. So that you get each month. And the card, of course, and then your teas. I'm a little hot. Whew. So I have 4 teas that I am going to review, and I'm going to start with the one that I was most excited to see in my box because I saw it in another person's box. And it was her April box, I believe, and it was me and my tea. She showed this tea and I said, how exciting. How come I have never seen that? And to my surprise, it was in my May box. Happy, happy, happy. So it is tea drops, and this is like a little cube of tea all compressed in here. It almost reminds me of instant coffee because all you do is boil your water, and then you boil your water to about 212 degrees, and you drop this, once you open this package, you drop that little cube into your cup of water, and voila, you have your tea. No tea bags, no tea strainer, no nothing, no infusers. This bowl combination is great for Earl Grey and chocolate lovers alike. So this is Earl Grey tea with chocolate. It has organic chocolate in it, or cocoa in it. And it magically brews up a cup with the flavor and benefits of loose tea without the waste or mess of steeping. How smart is that? Guys, I really like this. I liked it so much that I used my coupon and went on their site and ordered a bag of 25. So, perfect for the about 3 o'clock hour when you need a pick-me-up, I feel. The next tea we're going to look at, and by the way, I had 3 of these in here. The next tea we're going to look at is the Blood Orange tea, and it's by Harney and Sons, one of my favorite brands. This tea, you get about, it doesn't say, it just says an individual sample. It's a refreshing herbal tea in blood orange. But it says you use 1 teaspoon to 8 ounces of water. You steep it for 4 to 5 minutes in water that you brew to 212 degrees. So it has apple pieces, orange peel, rose hip, hibiscus, beetroot, safflower petals, marigold petals, orange flavoring, raspberry flavoring, grapefruit flavoring. And this is from Middle Europe, Germany and Austria to be more specific, and they've developed a great affection for fruit teas. They have no caffeine but look stunning and taste delicious, so I can't wait to taste that. Blood orange is lovely hot or cold. That's what we need now, the option. So that was it. The next tea I have is by Bewley, or B-E-W-L-E-Y, something's on my face, L-E-Y, B-E-W-L-E-Y-S, Burley. Since 1840, this pure Sencha green tea is light and refreshing. It's a light and refreshing green tea. Okay, naturally rich in antioxidants, it says. So let's see what it says here about it. It says each bag, because these are little satchels in here, so you have a bag of tea. Each bag per 8 ounces of water, only steep it to 175. Now guys, this is where it's amazing to me because I'm going to turn on my fan for a minute so you'll hear the noise. This is where it's amazing to me because I didn't even read the instructions. I popped this tea bag into a cup of hot water, probably hotter than 175 degrees because I wasn't even really thinking about that. And I usually leave my tea bag sitting in my cup of tea. Well, I tasted, fortunately, before it had steeped so much, and it was delicious. And then I let it sit, and the taste was rancid. And I'm like, oh, what have I done to this tea? Well, here it says, This medium body tea has a pleasant, mellow flavor, which it does. It's a mild, nice, rich kind of taste when you drink it after it's been steeped 1 to 2 minutes. And a rich yellow color. It is rich in antioxidants, a delightful way to bring some balance into your life. Well, once it goes past that 2 minutes, you can forget about drinking it. It is not good brewed past 2 minutes. So this is a very good tea once you follow the directions. And I'm looking forward to having more of that. And so I've tried 3 out of the 4 teas that I got. The last one I got is the organic rooibos tea by My Red Tea. And not only did I get the tea, I got a bookmark with it. And this bookmark says, My Red Tea, you can never get a cup of tea large enough, or a book long enough to suit me. And that was C.S. Lewis. Cute. Now on to the tea. I got 4 bags of this My Red Tea, and it's an organic rooibos tea. And 1 bag per 8 ounces of water, it says. You steep it for you steep it for 3+ minutes at 212 degree Fahrenheit water. This is an organic single origin rooibos tea from South Africa. It's caffeine free. It's an antioxidant rich rooibos tea that has been used by South Africans for generations. You drink it hot or cold, alone, or with honey, lemon, or milk. Or add to your bath water to soothe your skin. Now that's interesting. Very interesting. Again, it's the rooibos tea. It's organic and it's by My Red Tea. It's USDA organic and naturally caffeine free. And I brewed up a pitcher of this. I think I made about 2.5 quarts of this and let it brew. And then I iced it up, poured it in a cup, and we're going to have some today. Delicious. I'm enjoying my tea. This is a full-bodied but pleasant, not strong. It almost tastes as if there's like a hint of orange or a hint of lemon in it. Just a hint. Very good. Very good. Oh. I hope from now on out that Sipsby sends me teas that are great hot or cold, because we're about to hit the steaming hot month. So, you know, it's very rare that you're going to want a hot cup of tea unless it's first thing in the morning. Anyway, guys, I have a coupon that if you like to use, it'll be down in the drop box. It's Love Tea, and it gives you 15% off your box of Sipsby if you subscribe. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tea review.